Nice day, huh? How do you buy and sell ADA or Cardano today? I will show you these. I am Emre Ata, a 7-year Binance Global affiliate. Let's go to the video. Yes, how to buy Cardano. Now, firstly, we need to create Binance Global account with referral code. This is my website, exchangereferralcodes.com. Languages. You should get information about referral codes of crypto exchange and crypto industry, cryptos, all information here. First, you should click this banner or on this video info section, my referral link. On this page, firstly, you must see my code here and my name. In this way, you will understand this code real and working. With this code, you will get 20% discount, trade rebates, up to $600 new user bonus. After fill this form with email or phone, Google account, Apple account or Telegram. So, we created our Binance account. Firstly, we should click here and complete account verify. KYC approval. Yes, with this phone, you should finish this KYC approval stage with few seconds. After, we need to deposit money to Binance. Click deposit mobile and desktop same. Choose your currency. And on this point, you must use legal way deposit money to Binance Global. Cryptocurrency industry regulation in countries. In your country, which way is legal way? You should use this. For example, buy with USD with crypto card or debit card, credit card. We clicked. For example, $500 Cardano, and click buy Cardano. ADA. So easy. When you want to sell with easy way, click sell button and click sell ADA Cardano. Now, if you want to buy market from market, we need stable coin, USDC or USDT. For example, I have clicked USDT Tether, $500. You will pay Apple Pay or debit card, Visa, MasterCard, GPay, you see, and click buy. So, we need marketplace here, mobile and desktop same. Click market, click spot, and there is search console, search coin name, ADA or Cardano. Cardano ADA with USDT. Click trade button here. Now we are in market area. Red colors sellers, green colors buyers, and current price here. We have $500, 500 USDT, Tether. For fast buying, click here. Current price came here. 500. And click buy ADA, Cardano. When we want to sell, for example, Cardano reach $2, and click sell ADA, Cardano. Buying and selling, so easy. By the way, this is not trade advice, just example. So, if you need more information, you should visit exchangereferralcodes.com or futuristreferralcode.net or com or cryptocurrencyusa.net. Yes, today we learned how to buy and sell Cardano, how to verify account KYC, how to use a referral code, how to buy and sell. We learned all of these. Thanks for watching. See you later. Subscribe to Binance's official channel.